Global parameters are parameters that are set at the global level within FactoryTrack. These fall into four categories: the global parameters, shop floor parameters, time track parameters, and warehouse mobility parameters. If we look at the global parameters first, these are parameters that relate to all of the FactoryTrack modules. We have a flag to say whether Kanban is implemented. If so, we need to specify what the Kanban label is, whether handling units are in use throughout the system, whether we wish to use the supplier lot as the ERP lot, whether the EAN or ICS codes are in use to identify items via alternative methods, and which of the FactoryTrack modules are in use. It can be either shop floor, time track, or neither of those two. We also have a parameter to say whether the PIN number is required. This is used when an employee is entering their operator number into the system. In the shop floor parameters, we have a series of parameters that relate globally to the shop floor module. The first one is to say whether the ERP link is currently available. Then we specify the number of tasks to display on any one screen, whether an operator or a machine can work multiple tasks, a gap interval in minutes. This identifies how many minutes should be allowed between an operator stopping a job and starting the next one without creating a gap, whether the operator is allowed to start unassigned tasks, and then the default start page for a supervisor is at the resource summary or the assignment list, whether we should have a welcome message when an employee logs in, and if so, what the welcome message should be, and whether the biometric system is in use, and if so, what the biometric message is, and how long in seconds will the biometric information be retained. Currently, there are no time track global parameters or warehouse mobility global parameters, but there will be in the future.